Welcome to Best Turkish Recipe channel. Let's make milk slices. 3 eggs, 1½ glass of powdered sugar. Mix them carefully. After the mixture is ready, add a glass of vegetable oil and 1½ glass of yogurt, a glass of flour, a packet of baking powder, a packet of vanilla, 2 tablespoons of cocoa. Keep on mixing. When the mixture is ready, spread the mixture to the baking tray equally. To get out the bubbles, heat the tray to the bench. Put the tray before heated oven in 200 degrees for 10 minutes. For filling, a packet of cream, 1½ tablespoon of honey, a packet of whipped cream. Mix them all. Keep the mixture in the fridge for 20 minutes. Let it cool. When it's ready, cut the edges of the cake as you see. Cut the cake equally as you see. Take a piece of cake and spread the cream. Cover it with another piece. Homemade milk slices are ready for your children's taste. Enjoy it and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.